Okay, so we come to the back door of our website. This is how we access the dashboard inside of WordPress. So we put in the URL for our website, and then we put in WP-admin, and we access this. So I'm going to put in my username, which is student8. Now again, this is something that is set up when you install WordPress. And I have my password. And I'm going to log in. When I log in, what I am seeing is my dashboard. I know that it's the dashboard, and I can come on up here and I can choose to visit the site. Now, when I choose to visit the site, this is what the standard installation of WordPress looks like. Now, we're looking at WordPress 4.9.6, and every year these are updated, so yours might look a little bit different if you're looking at this from an earlier version or a later version of WordPress. So again, we want to come back to the dashboard. And just a quick overview of the dashboard, we can see that we have home, we have updates, so we come on in and we can see sometimes the WordPress software needs to be updated, and that's going to bring us into here. And also sometimes our plugins also need to be updated. Now, I can come on in here too. I can see can create posts. I can click to my media. The media will be the images, the photographs, video files. I have pages. Now, I also have an area filled with the comments. So I can click on the comments. A lot of times what you'll find with the comments is that you'll get a lot of spam as well. We have plugins. We have users, so we could add other users to this as too. Different tools and settings. So there we have it, a quick overview of how to log in and also a quick overview of the dashboard. Thanks for listening.